Here we are on the Explore page. This is our public gallery, where you will find all the videos generated by the platform's users, under User AI Video. By clicking on a video, you can play it and analyze its details. For example, which AI model was used and how many credits were consumed to create it. You also have access to the original product image and the source video used as a template, which is what we call a twin. From here, you have several options. You can click Like, save the video, or view the prompt that was used. Twin this video using your own product, or simply use the Edit button to modify it. Back on the gallery, the same principle applies to images. By selecting a visual created by the community, you can access its information, the credits cost, the format, such as 9:16, and the prompt. Finally, in the Reference Images and Reference Video sections, you will find a selection of original examples. Feel free to twin them to generate your own unique content.